Alright, yo, what is going on, guys? Today I got a few things to do. The first one on the list is I need to get a turbo blanket. The downpipe and the screamers nice and heat wrapped, but I need to get a blanket just to obviously keep the engine bay temperatures down. The strut tower here and the block in this area get really hot. I just want to control the heat a little bit better, and yeah, a turbo blanket is a must for sure. So yeah, I'm on my way to Mopac right now. Good buddy Frank works there. First I'm gonna pick up some juice though.
I'm all set. 50 out of town. People love to pop a lot of shit and come around. Word of block of Jordan, here to put it down. Niggas that I'm all set. Can't go 50-50 with no.
Shout out to the squad from Vancouver that recommended this brand to me. That guy had a huge sticker on his back window that said Daddy.
Not much.
Just kidding. Ignoring my DMs like I'm an ex-girlfriend, man. Just kidding. So yeah, I just picked up the turbo blanket. Here it is. It's gonna fit nice and snug. Shout out to Frank. So I guess you apply this wet, just like exhaust heat wrap, so not gonna put it on right now. I'll do that later at the shop, and right now I'm just gonna make my way to Mitch's work, which is Cal Tire. Devin is right there right now getting an alignment done on his Civic, so I'm gonna head there. By the way, if you guys want a sick movement watch, YYC Lowcals 15 for $15 off your order. TJ Hunt and Dustin Williams only have $10 off their order, so use the Lowcals code, man, get $15 off. There's Devin. So you just finished it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Hey, how's it going, man?
How's it going, man?
Yeah, did you drive the bug?
Yeah.
You did? How's that Mitch alignment?
Cool.
Is it good?
That's pretty straight now.
Oh yeah.
7 degrees of camber in the rear.
In the rear? I wonder how many my front is. Might get you to do mine.
Yeah, and your toe is dead zero.
Sick. Damn. Yeah, finally a nice alignment. After what, like a month of coilovers and camber arms?
Red deer back.
Yeah.
Red deer. Yeah, twice.
Sick, man. All right, what do you want to do?
Anything.
Anything. Damn, dude. I'm lower, bro. Just kidding. Easy lip number 3 time.
Yes, please.
Shout out to Morgan, fixing all the issues. I don't know if you guys remember, but the relay on my turn signals was busted, so I didn't have turn signals for the longest time.
Shout out to
Yeah.
just another Civic for hooking that up. Holy.
He's the Lowcals mechanic, I swear, man. He helped you with your
Yeah, seriously.
yeah, man, with the clutch, with the slave.
Wow. Thank you, Morgan.
Morgan is a G. Everyone follow him.
Yes, everyone follow Morgan.
Yeah, man, super nice guy, knowledgeable guy. Yeah, it's raining outside, so yeah, gonna pull the Civic in a bit here, but first install the new Easy Lip. Fuck, that sucks. Yeah, right here, right?
Just mangled, dude.
Damn. 3rd time's a charm. Garrett just rolled up to the shop. He's also getting alignment done pretty soon here. He said he's noticing wear already. Damn, this thing's looking fresh. Shout out to the Stagia fans. It's got that cherry blossom. Garrett, I have a gift for you, man.
What might that be?
It's a turbo blanket. Hey! Damn.
Best application
ever. What do you mean? The lip's already on? Oh, nice. Damn, that's clean. How long is this one gonna last?
Hey guys, it's me, Brandon.
Hey guys.
Ray's about to peel her out of here.
Do it.
Let's see her. You're on water anyway. Ray usually peels it out of here. All right, Brandon, let us know what's good.
It's good. So today me and Simon, Derpy FRS, installed aero catch hood latches. Yeah, should I pop it?
Yeah, do it. Show the functionality of it.
Functionality.
What you hiding under this thing?
Of course it's locked, right?
Oh. 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 Hey. Oh.
This is such a process.
Hey. Yeah, it's like a 6-step to open your hood. Nice.
So we had to cut under here and then on top as well.
Oh yeah, a bit into the hood.
It's scary to do, but
Were these existing holes? No, probably not.
yeah, they were.
They were?
Actually. Yeah.
Nice. Not bad. Good job, Derpy. What do you have to say about it, man?
I like his roof wing.
Also, he also helped me tighten my clutch pedal, so it feels a lot better and it's not as stiff.
Yeah, it was super bad. It's
But
still
to
kind of
make
close to
yeah,
your brake.
It's still really
though.
close. To make it more straight, I need to drill another hole.
Good work,
That
man.
was my day today.
Charles took his tranny out the other day, so he's just cleaning that up. Jesse's also here.
I'm doing the whole logistical and business operations.
Yeah,
You
so
guys
he's
work
making
with.
sure we have products for Vancouver. Everything's booked for van.
Yes, as
Smooth
well
trip.
as shipping out all your guys' orders.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you for all of you that ordered. Link, I guess it'll be in the description and on the screen right now.
Yeah.
Support your boys.
If you order in the next like 2 weeks before we go to van, we'll ship it like within
ASAP.
a day or two.
Yeah, so you'll
ASAP.
get your products
Way-
soon.
way faster.
All right, so we are heading to Beyond. Got my car, Brandon, Devin, and Garrett. We're gonna go Beyond, check out a meet there, and then we're gonna go to Menace after. Get a good old squad cruise going on. You keep it down, you whippersnapper.
Hello, YouTube. Want to hear my fart can?
Yeah, I want to hear your fart can. What?
We gotta get gas.
We don't need gas, do you?
How are you?
Over there, man.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, you're fine, dude. It's gonna delay the plans.
We're getting gas.
Nah, dude. Brandon, hurry up! It's gonna rain anyway. This man's just wiping down his car and like, look at the skies. Dude, you don't need every drop off of your car.
Look at that shit.
All right, peace, dude.
Thanks, man.
Damn.
Hey guys.
Here at Menace. Oh yeah, I got those whistlers, those beefy tires. Are these not rolled yet?
No, but like feel it right here. Like
Oh,
feel
shit.
this. I pulled it down, bro.
Oh yeah, damn. Dude, just taking a picture of our cars, dude.
Who's kneeling?
Bertrand and Van Squad are rolling through.
Dude, like the day my camera doesn't work.
Then Tiger is dope.
David.
Nice social life.
Yo, I kind of want a big wing.
Hey, what's up? Oh, what is up, man? That's good. Tell them what's good, man. Let them know what's good.
Everybody's talking, bro. What's up, bro?
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Like the hoodie. I think I got everyone. Just hitting people in the face. Like.
Yeah, we're from Vancouver.
You come equipped.
Vancouver here all the time, man.
Eddie,
Tits.
Crits with the new Whistlers, looking fresh. We got Funky Garage CY Lang with the A86. Also has a minty chaser. We got the boys from Vancouver.
Standard issue. I like this, but I'm not a fan of Altetis personally.
Damn, dude.
So,
Got the same banner. Yeah, it's a work of art, man. This is unique AF.
oh, I get it. Power Rangers. When I was leaving the shop, he was just starting this. He did that so quick.
I'm sure you guys all follow this man's already, but give him a follow. Damn, there's Rob with the STI Stancy pants. Hey, thank you.
Here. I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, man, it's been a while. Thank
I've
you.
been bringing us tickets for everybody, apparently.
Funky Garage. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
No worries, man.
Follow this man's. I was just talking to our buddy Rob in that Tim's. He owns that blue static slam cambered out STI right there. He won best stance at Driven Calgary. Who's rolling up? Oh, those derpy. Wish I got that on film. Do it again. Do it again, man.
Yo, what's up?
Hi, guys. What's up? They look like they're posing. Hey! Oh shit, he's in there too. Yeah, good job on this derby.
This carbon.
Coach.
It smells like a tire shop, my friend. My friend, it smells like a tire shop.
Alright, who's doing some cool shit?
I'm gonna have to say no because I'm bringing.
Ballsy.
Oh no, they're closed. Special ice cream place.
Special treatment. Yeah. Thank you.
Dude, I saw that green ice cream.
Yeah, I've actually been to not this place, but
There's movies.
I did the legend.
Peace, boys.
No, that
This
could
is-
be the outro shot, bro.
No, this is gonna be the outro. Peace. Hey.
oh, I'm in already quit.
It's like cue the music.
And then that wing on my part, so it's a main port Edmonton car. Main port said, leaving?
Peace. See you guys. Peace.
Later.
I live in another city.
Yeah, man, you too. Thanks for the stickers. Peace, bro.